in Power BI. So before going to start, let me show you the data set. So here I have account number, name, and vendor ID. And here I have a 10 rows. And see this. And a same table I copy it and give the name merge example. So I want you to add here these data to be merged below. So for this, need to select the append query, and after that select the table name which you wanted to merge. So here I wanted to merge duplicate row and just click on OK and say this merge. Now there is another option called merge query as a new. So if you wanted to merge as a new query, means as a new data set, then you can use this option. So I'm going to create as a new. So for this, select second table, duplicate row and click on OK. Here the best option is that you can use multiple tables also. You can use this, select this, add that. So you can do it this process as well. So you can merge it. Save this. Now merge it too many columns. So it depends on the requirement. You can use it and build it automatically. So merge, before video I saw the merge, and this is the video that created the append query, and append query as a new. So means if same table you wanted to append the data, then use append query. If you wanted to create a new data set to appending with new data set, then you can use append query as a new. So this way you can easily handle the data. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click on like button also. That would be great help. And if you have any feedback, comments, please share or comment on my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.